I want to talk to you for a few minutes about domains. Understand there's two things on the internet that are worth money. And I'm not talking just a little bit of money. I'm talking, if it's done correctly, millions, billions. Two things. Let me give you what the two things are. Number one, domain names. Do you have any idea how much the domain name homes.com was worth? Oh, I can tell you just the domain name. Never mind the website. Delete the website. Just the domain name is in the millions and millions and millions of dollars. Just that domain name, .com. Cars.com, same thing. Millions of dollars, that domain name. So I want you to understand there is such a thing as called domain brokers. I'll come back to that in a moment. So domain names are very valuable if it's done right. The second thing that is worth money is data. And it's all kinds of data. We're talking about, let's look at Google. They don't produce anything. They don't build anything. They do nothing except one thing. They warehouse, they index, I don't even want to use the word warehouse, they index web pages. That's all they do. Well, they have many other businesses now, but if you just look at Google itself, they are nothing more than a search engine that has web pages so that you can find things on the internet. That's all they are. And they are their company is worth, they are the richest company in the world today. They are worth more money than Microsoft. That's how big they are. If you check the shares of Microsoft and check the shares of Google, even though our stock market is in array, never mind, they're still right up there. Okay, so I say to real estate people, understand data. So what are we talking about data? We're talking about people's names, addresses, phone number. We're talking about lists in the real estate business. We're talking about homes for sale. Realtor.com, the #1 real estate portal on the internet, is worth probably billions, never mind millions, but certainly multi-millions. For one reason, because they have over 2 million listings. Not because their website is so great and pretty and looks nice. It's because of the data. Very important that you understand that. So it's important to understand when it comes to your website, one of the most important things is your domain name. In real estate, you only need 2 domain names. You don't need to have, like some people come to me and they bought 50 domain names. All kinds of you don't need a lot of domain names. As a matter of fact, if you don't use your domain names correctly, it could hurt you. So let me give you, first of all, what I mean by 2 domain names. The one domain name you need is your own name.